Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
What's up guys, meet with me again in new CNC channel. My friend on Facebook asking to me how to create simple secure login using MD5 password. Now, in this tutorial, I will show how to do that. Okay, first, open your Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio 2017. Then, create new project. Call whatever you want in your project. I want to put in my desktop, and then make MD5 password, for example like this. This video is little longer guys, so just be patient. Okay, in here we need to three forms, so we need to add one form again. The number second form is called form data, for example, and the last form is for form user. Okay, form user like this. Okay, we need to design first. For fast is just make simple design. In the form 1 is for our login guys. Okay, so we need to click button here, one button, and then two text box and two label. Okay, you can copy this. Text box, that's this. Okay, you can copy again like this. Now this is for our login system using MD5 later. And then I want to change the text to login here. For label 1 is username, and the label 2 is password. Okay, you can change the name for easily to understand where is the item. I want to change suitable with uh, destination letter. For textbook 1 is the username like this guys, and then for second textbook is the password. And you can also adding one button again if you want, like this. For example, this is a cancel button. Cancel, for example. Cancel. Okay. Okay, I will sorting by letters. Now in the form data we need to design like this uh, for one button and two text box. Okay, for don't same with form login, just make the background color is different from form login. I'm using this for example. The text is input data or save like this. This is using label also guys. username, password. Okay, this is for our input data. We need to input uh, in the our database before we login. Okay, this is from login, this is from data. You can change the tag from login like this. Okay, from data, and the last is from user. I want to change into the blue for back color. Okay, like this. And then I just need one label. Change the font. I want to change like this. Okay, okay, done for design. And the second step is we need to adding database before we code. Okay, now I'm using some in here, and then start my module Apache and MySQL. Then I will open my Chrome. For localhost, just php my admin. I want to make uh, database login, for example. Database login, for example, like this, guys. I'm sorry, I will change the language so you don't confuse. Okay, change. Okay, database login again, like this. Then create. In the database login, we need just two column or two for one table is called db login, like this, or just table login, like this. This is using varchar, and then for username we just need to 20, and for password, because there is using MD5 password, we need to more or longer. This is for username, guys. This is for password, and for username is primary key also. I'm sorry, this is okay. Just save. Okay, we need or we have database login for database, and for table we have table login, and column is password and username. This is, guys, the structure of our database. Now just minimize your Google Chrome, and then the number second I will code for connection to database, and I need folder here for TD structure, DB connection, like this, for example. And then in the DB connection, let's add class or module. I need module, for example, and then just type DT for connection. Okay, like this. Just click add. Okay, guys, because we need to import MySQL. Import MySQL. We need to add reference first. Okay, you can see the previous tutorial about how to add MySQL connector in the others video in my channel. So we can click MySQL data here. check and then click OK. This is imports my SQL data for my SQL client. I don't need module this is, and we can just type the public class for DT connection like this guys. And for team connect, don't use phrase with confused with keyword. I just using one n because for don't confuse to connect new MySQL connection here. Okay. This is our string guys. For server is equal to localhost. And for user or UEID is equal to root and password, or you can just type pvd like this, is nothing password. And for database is database login. Okay, same with our just created in phpMyAdmin. And this public function. Okay, this is for closing connection from database guys. No. And try to I'm sorry, try to closing the connection, and then for gets we just same with this for fast. Okay, then return connect like this. Okay guys, this is for our global connection in this project. Okay, database is suitable with your DB name. This is your DB name guys. Database login. Okay, database login. Let's check again. Okay, same. Now the code again in our second form inform data. Okay, because after we save data we need to try using phone login. That's the logic. Let's double click the save button here. This is import. We need also to import system.txt and import security for cryptography to create MD5. I want also using region in here. My declare. Okay, and for team, my comment is this is suitable with our class. Okay, now let's create our region scan like this. Public function MD5 by val. Sorry, no bytes. Drop bytes as byte for team SB as new string builder like this. Okay, for string is null or empty, guys. If nothing or empty for our source, we need to throw. Okay, and for bytes equal to encode. Sorry, I mean is shorts. Okay, like this. Bytes is equal to MD5 dot create dot compute has 4 bytes. Okay, like this. And for x as integer, this is for looping. Start 0 to bytes to length -1 SB dot bytes for x variable here dot to string. For string we also have x2 like this, because using function in here we need to return the function like this, guys. Okay, now in the button login we need just to declare team has code as suitable with your form name, guys. In here my form name is form data, just type form data like this and has code equal to new form data like this. Don't forget to adding brackets here. Try. This is for our SQL statement or SQL query for input username and password data. Insert into table login. Okay guys, this table login is get from our table name here, table login. In the username, in password, using these values, the username, I'm sorry, I'm not yet changed the name of our text box in form data. Okay, the user, for example, like this, the user and the base for different with form login. Okay, the user dot text like this, and then got it. Okay, space here, and also for password and the pass, and like this guys. Okay, just that's all. So we need to insert username and password with the values of the user and the pass dot text here, and for our query is execute. After we open the connection, we need to close. I'm sorry guys, why this is double S? Let's see this. That is, sorry, close like this. Okay, if successful is missing box data save, data save. Okay, for information, missing box style, that information. Okay, like this, and then notice like this. For the user dot text, or you can just do clear like this, the pass dot clear. And for exception, if something error, we just handle with ex.message. Okay, now we need to try form data work or not. You can just setting in your application start up from data to check the form data is nothing wrong in there. Let's start it. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, you can see I will open my database and then browse if nothing data in here in my database. So we need to adding, for example, this is for news and the password is 123, and we need try to save. Let's see, data save. Okay, then I minimize this and then browse again. That is, guys, you can see the password still using common string. Now, because we have a public function for using MD5, let's try to change for our password into like this, guys. As I want to add bracket here for hash code. Okay, if just now we just using tps.text, now we can using hashcode.md5 from string using this function. Okay, and see what the difference. uh, Username cannot the same, so new cnc, for example, password is 123. Let's save, data save, and try to browse again. You can see, guys, I'm using password with MD5, and the first is using a string, which is very not safe if you want to using uh, some system. Now let's close. Our data is done, and for the second, let's try to code the form login. Okay, like this, for example. For cancel, okay, form login I will put in the center screen. Where is the center screen, guys? Windows start button, start position. Okay, center screen. Let's do with login. And from button login, we also need to import mysql data.mysql client like this. Okay, you can do with faster using copy paste in your form data here like this. Import mysql.data, just copy in your form login, and then we need to copy again about uh, for my declare and the function. Okay, copy for fast, put in below of public class, but in form login we don't need this, guys. For my command, I just need for object data adapter, just the adapter for fast SQL data adapter like this, and from the table is new data table like this. Okay, and for region using 3 my connection, object adapter and the table, and for public function is same with in the form data. Just minimize all. And for button login, let's try to copy paste again for fast in the form data. Okay, just copy this. Okay, paste here and change this with your form name, because this is form 1, or form login, we need to change to form 1. And obj dt adapter is equal to new MySQL data adapter. This is the query or MySQL statement. Select username, comma, password from table login, where username equal to, I'm sorry guys, equal to the username dot text why select username password. I think this is got it. That's all. Why this is error guys? Cannot be converted to my SQL command. Let's see our declare. Okay, just type, and for password is equal the password. Why that is equal to the password dot text. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit confused. Okay, that's why my application is error. Let's try to adding my connection to open. Okay, let's see. Yes, of course. And you can also if you confuse here guys, you can just type underscore here, and for new line, okay, for new line you can just type underscore here, then the table dot clear and obj dot fill the table. Where is the table guys? I'm sorry, this is the table. Okay, the table if the table dot rows, if nothing count or found in the record database, we just need to show the missing bug. Nothing user or password like you type. For example, this is guys. And if data or record found, we just need to click else from user dot show, and then me dot hide, for example guys. And this is the table like this. And let's try to using form login or form 1 in here. Okay, just start. Let's see guys, this is username news with content password is 1 till 3. I want to using this news and 1 2 3 login. Okay, let's try to see where is the error. I think this is, guys. Let's see if done adding this. I'm sorry, new line is cannot space. Try again. Just be sure. Where is, guys? Where is? Okay, we need to close connection for error. My connection dot close if error something happen. Let's try to uh, log in again, guys. Where is the error? You have an error in your SQL syntax. Okay. Let's see where is the error. I'm sorry, very full here. Because this is login, not insert data. I need to do using n. I'm sorry, guys. I'm very sorry here. Like this. Let's try again. News 1 2 3. Okay. We works till here, and like I say, let's make this script is like this, guys. For example, I need to new line error or not. Okay. I'm forget how to create new line in Visual Basic like this, or if cannot in the okay, I will just back to like this. Okay, this is works, but for the password is using 123 here. Let's try to use in and password 123 work or not. Okay. For username using newsin in here, newsin and 123. Okay, nothing user or password like you type. Now we just need to convert uh, our hash to MD5 also, like I do in the input data. Okay, just make this for hash code to MD5 form string like this, and then let's try to use in and 123. I'm sorry, use in. Okay, login, and let's do like this, guys. Very simple. In the okay, I do in our form 1, and this is me dot close, for example, and in the form user is label 1 dot text is equal to t, or form 1 dot t username dot text here. This is hello. Like this. Click save and go to our form user. Form data, I mean. Just add label here, and for color or font using uh, full like this. For color is using full like this, for example, guys. I'm sorry. And just click to login. Text. What is the text? Click to login. Okay, like this. And let's delete our record here. Delete our record here. Okay. If this is click, you can just on click me form 1.0 like this, guys. Okay. And the last step is make the form data in first. For example, like this. Okay, guys. Let's browse, and you, for example, and the password is ha ha ha. Let's save, data save. Let's try to browse here. Okay, you with MD5, and let's login, for example. Okay, you ha ha. Oh, I forget. Oh yes, that is, guys. Now it works how to create login, and let's do one again. If you want like this, for example, inform user welcome welcome back again, and like this. Okay, guys, let's do again. And okay, browse for showing you if there is nothing user again. For Stony sites like this, and for example is password is news. Okay, news enc, and click save, data save. You can see Sony sites with password is news enc. Let's try to login. Let's do if nothing user or password here. Okay, nothing user or password like you type, and for Sony sites, and it is news enc. Let's login. Okay. Okay, guys, that's all tutorial how to make login page using simple MD5 cryptography in visualbasic.net. Okay, I think that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get new about video tutorial. Bye bye.